In this video, I will be going over metering in and metering out circuits, which I believe is covered on chapter 13 of the book. The first scenario that I will go over is metering in during extension, which means while I'm extending, I want to be able to slow it down using a meter in circuit. So to do this, I first need to determine which one is my input. So when I'm extending, this will be my input. So my flow control is going to go on this line. So I activate my lever on my 4-position 3-way manually operated spring-loaded directional control valve. Oil is going to flow up and split. It will then get metered through the flow control valve as it goes into the double acting cylinder, because it won't be able to go through the bypass check valve and will therefore extend slowly. Whenever you shift to retract the cylinder, oil will flow from the pump through the directional control valve, and all of the oil that is leaving the cylinder is going to come out and split, and this time most of the oil will be able to go through the bypass check valve and will go down back into the tank, which will make the cylinder retract quickly. The other scenario that I will go over is metering in during retraction. The first thing to do is identify the input. So when I'm retracting, this will be my input. So my flow control is going to go on this line. So once again, I activate my directional control valve and the oil comes through here. The cylinder extends out and all of the oil exiting the cylinder can go through the bypass check valve and will go back down into the tank. So it extends quickly. But when I go to retract the cylinder, the oil from the pump will go through here and it won't be able to go through the bypass check valve and will get metered through the needle, making the cylinder retract slowly.